Hello, my name is Rosalyn and this is my house, and we have been working on our basement renovation. So last week we started furnishing the downstairs, bringing in chairs, furniture, art. The goal for the space has been to make it livable, cozy, and cool, and it is absolutely livable now. We have everything in place where it's comfortable to be down here. And cozy, we are on our way. We have started the process. Cool, I just threw in there because I thought it was funny to say. I wanted to make it cool. In last week's video, I introduced 4 elements that I'm using to make this space cozy. And we hit 2 already. So the first one was furniture, which we brought down. Obviously, this is not its final form, and these are not even necessarily the pieces that will stay where they are. And element number 2 was art, and so I hung up a lot of art down here. I covered like 5 or 6 of the walls. There's a couple walls that I left blank, and I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do there yet. So in this video, we're going to hit the final 2 elements to make this space cozy, and number 3 is lighting. And we talked about lighting in my video about the track lights when I put them up, and that was introducing some more ambient overhead light. The track lights aren't exactly overhead light because they're not like coming straight down from the ceiling, but they are up there and they are ambient, so they are on a switch. They light up the whole space. They're on right now, you can see. But we need a little bit of task and accent lighting down here, and that I'm gonna bring in through lamps. I've been using some lamps down here already to like light spaces up while we were working. So now I'm gonna figure out where they actually should sit. And since I want that side to be like a library area, I think we need a little bit of task lighting, like maybe some book light situations to help with that. Element number 4 is items, which I know sounds very generic, like, and what does that even mean? But to me, I was trying to find a good term for just to like encompass everything else that you put into a room, which is kind of obvious. It's like, yeah, obviously I'm gonna put stuff in the room that I'm using, but kind of like placing it into a category, making it intentional. So we've got books, we've got plants, we've got knickknacks, activities / games. So as you know, we're having this be like a game space. So we're gonna bring all of our games into here, and a lot of our books are in storage currently, so I'm gonna bring those out of the garage and put them on the shelves. Putting stuff on shelves is like one of my favorite things to do, especially like these built-in shelves. I'm really excited about. I mean, I'm excited about this little shelf too because it's so cute, because it just feels like complete. That area will be like done, and I was so excited. Last week I was definitely channeling Harry. This week I was trying to channel Sally. It's like a knockoff version of Sally, I'll say.
You
don't want to get closer? Wow.
One more time. It's getting lower.
I know, I'm scared.
Da-da-da!
Good job.
One more time. We can CGI it
CGI.
to make it look like a hit. See, I'll put it right there. And then after the throw, you show that.
Okay.
Maybe this is the zester.
Oh yeah, and the blender.
The cheese grater. Oh, snap! Yeah, that can go on that table.
Okay.
Or do you want to put them on the shelf?
No, he won't really fit. You can just,
Tamara was showing me a picture. She's like, I'm interested in this game. And guess what it was?
Mahjong.
No.
Go.
Yeah. I was like, I just bought that.
Nice, you can come and learn it with us.
Yep.
Because we don't know how to play either.
Hey, it's your flower press.
Oh.
You can put it up there. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Is this your Bible?
Yep, that's the one. You'll see my name.
So I've been loosely calling this a library, and with 2 bookshelves, it's not exactly living up to that name yet, but it's on its way, and it's kind of like a study is kind of the vibe currently. Eventually, on the wall that I left blank by the card table is going to have some bookshelves kind of built in. That's the plan for that blank wall. And so then we'll have a lot more shelving, a lot more books up on the wall.
I don't know about that, Rose. I'm going out too much.
Oh, okay. I'll twist it. Like so.
Look what we just scored.
Oh.
Gavin found it. Yep, that's right. No, I pointed at it. I literally was like, look at that, Rosen, and you ran over and touched it.
Okay. The one Gavin actually found is this one. Hello, it is a new day. I have 1 plant in here so far, and I am going to go bring in the plants from the greenhouse and the plants from the screened-in porch because the weather is turning, and I'm even like cold right now. It's cold. At night it's been like 50s and then it's been getting into the 40s. So I think that the plants are gonna be suffering. So definitely gotta bring them inside. It's really nice out. Ooh, it feels good. There's a couple of jalapenos left. I think I'll go ahead and pick them. I feel like it's too cold for the peppers to do well. I don't think we'll get any new ones. I think I'm gonna go ahead and harvest this watermelon because I don't think it's gonna get any bigger. It's been that same size for like a month. Next year, I'll try and do better with planting fruit and veg. Next year. It's really cute though. My dad just stopped by. And look at this. Wow, it's huge.
I've found bigger ones in the past, but that is a big one. And in very good shape.
Wow.
A couple more days and it might start turning brown. You want a quarter of it? How much do you want?
Yeah, I'll take a quarter of it.
Okay.
I can fry it up.
Yeah, so you want to get some salty water
Okay.
and cut off all the dirty parts.
Okay.
And discard them, and then the other, throw it in your salty water, and whatever bugs are in it will come out, and then you just cook it.
Salty water. Does it warm salty water or just salty water?
I mean, warm helps the salt to dissolve more easily, so not hot. It's a pretty generous portion.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow.
And then when your kids were little, you hated mushrooms.
Well, it wasn't the nicest flavor to a
This
child.
This is one of the stronger flavored mushrooms.
Yeah.
It's a bud dinger. But, yeah, enjoy.
Thank you.
Okay.
Look at how much mushroom my dad gave me. That's only like a third of what he's got. And this too. It's so loud. It's like so springy. Last year, the wood stove was not in working order, so I used it as a plant stand. I had one of them on stairs in a different spot, but I think I might just put it here again because it looked really nice. And then I'll figure out what's going on with these guys. Maybe you guys can tell me if you like the green one better up there. The green one is like odd because I just got that lampshade at Savers when we were there thrifting, and it doesn't like quite fit that lamp. That lamp, like I have a few lamps that need a really long lamp shade, and I just can't like find any secondhand. So I'm just putting like normal ones on them, but they look funny. But if they're on the ground or just like lower down, you can't really tell that it's the wrong type of like shade, lamp shade. So thrifting the other night, we got some curtains. We got these thick ones. We got these for the greenhouse doors because last year it got so cold at night that a lot of plants that I had outside the doors here died because even though the house was set to, warm enough, the draft coming through the doors was too much for the plants. So I said, this year I'm going to have a thick curtain to block the draft. So during the day we can pull them back and let the warmth in from the greenhouse, but then at night close it up to protect the plants. And then we got these. It's kind of hard to see the vision with these, but they're gonna go on the two small windows on that side. We don't have any curtain rods yet, so obviously I have to wait to put them up, but I just wanted to show them because they're really sweet. They look Japanese inspired to me. It's got some really cute flowers and fruit and just some really beautiful motifs. And I think the light color with these like small little intricate patterns will look really cute on the windows over there. All right, and I do have the big striped curtain on a curtain rod just to like look at it. This curtain rod is too wimpy to hold this curtain, otherwise I would install it. I don't know if you'll be able to see the vision. Do you see the vision? It's so heavy. It'll be like that. This is not going to be a lot of people's taste, and that's okay. And I know I'm going to lose a lot of you with this, but this pattern and style of curtain just feels really cozy to me, especially in this kind of space. This almost feels a little bit like grand, but I think it's like the striping has like a quaint feeling to it. I really enjoy, and I like the green and red sort of emulates the color scheme that we already have going on. This is not the same green or same red, but it creates like a through line. So I'll put this back down. In my last video, I talked about how you really want to have comfy furniture to make a space really cozy. And we were on the lookout for a really comfortable love seat. We were hunting on Facebook Marketplace for a bit, and this free love seat popped up close to our area. We just thought it was kind of cute, kind of sweet. And when we got there, we sat in it, and it was definitely comfy. So I like the red-orange color, and I like that it's plaid, and it was free. So that's the best part. It's not like a super chic looking couch, but I think it's really cute. But whenever I get something from Facebook Marketplace, like furniture or a rug or clothes or anything like that, always got to make sure to give it a good cleaning. Somebody definitely spilled coffee on it at one point because under the cushions was stained, but the cushions themselves looked good.
Yep.
Do we have the tassels?
Yeah.
It's nighttime now. I wanted to do a final video of everything in daylight, but Gavin and I are leaving tomorrow on a trip to Maine, so I don't think we're going to be able to. We're leaving at like 5 a.m., so the sun will not be up. So we'll see. We'll see when I post this, but I don't think I'll be able to get day footage of all of it in its like final form, which is fine. You can use your imagination until the next video. We're going to be continually tweaking this space for sure, and you know, we've been moving around the furniture a lot, and I think we'll continue to do so until we feel like really good about it. And we've had people actually here using the space, and then we'll know if this is good or bad. But I'm really happy with this couch. It's really comfy. I'm really happy that we were able to pick it up last night and we got it for free. So pretty cool. As I'm looking around this room, pretty much everything has been secondhand, like auction, really cheap, or gifted to me. And I'm really grateful that I've been able to find such awesome stuff. And all of it has like a little story, and everything is kind of unique. And that's what I really love about this space. That's what I love about our home in general. I don't really buy so many things new, but I love the adventure of finding unique treasures to fill your home with. And then it really feels like our home. It feels like the space that we've created together, which is awesome. So as you know, our next thing is hopefully to get curtains up and just like keep on adjusting. We definitely need standing lamps. I'm really thankful my parents gave us these little milk glass lamps last night, and because they had them on their tables, and my mom was like, just take them away, we don't need them. But it's coming together, and it's definitely cozy and cool. So we have successfully accomplished our goals that we set before us. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
The life of